Hello guys, we are gonna play the Nido Tower again because I got bored. So just let's go. But my Wi-Fi is too slow to. Where's my Nido? There's a Nido Tower. Let's just wait to pay it the Nido Tower. Now I will join the Nido Tower. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys. If I reach the 200 subscribers, I will text to you guys. Guys, wait. I got disconnected. I will not show you the wax. I will not show you the wax butter, guys. I will show you the green butter wax. I just press it. It not press the dumpling. Now I can press the dumpling. This is what it sounds. Where's the sounds of my dumpling, guys? I will reveal it if it gets this to 1,000 likes, subscribes, comments, and comment to my channel and get if I reach 200 views, I will show you the green wax butter. They just this is the green wax butter. This is what it sounds. And this is not the wax. This is not the wax. This is just 0 layers, guys. This is what it sounds. I will show you the sound of the banana. The banana is squishy too. The banana has no sound. This is the red cube, the squishy. He has the wax, guys.
Paano niyo kinuha yung...
This is what it sounds. If I go out, the wax will get easily. This is what it sounds. Let's hear it. And this is the green wax, not Nido. This is what it sounds. If I jumping, he has the sounds. I will show you the squishy Nido blue, but I will not show you it to guys. If you like, comment, and share. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is the squishy of the Nido. It's blue. It's blue, guys. My favorite color, guys. This is the drop. This is the squishy drop. I want to get that another world. No, oh no, guys, I fail. Ba't hindi ka na lang sasalita? He loves Stitch. Nah, the Stitch is boring. Guys, do you want really see the Dr. Pepper Nido? I will show it to you. 3,
Uy,
2,
harap
1.
mo ah.
This is the dumpling Dr. Pepper. This is what it sounds. Do you hear a cheese? If I squish it, do you hear it again? Do you hear this? The spare? This is the spare. And this is the butter with no wax. This is what it sounds. No, there's no sounds. I will join my cousin. This is my pet. Name is Sun. Let's go join my ate to the campers. Let's go. Hello guys, we're in the camper. I will show you my avatars with my ate. This is my avatar. Ate name is Loris Meow Meow. If you want to add him, guys, name is Loris Meow Meow or just Star. The star is ST for ate, ano pangalan ng star name mo? The name is Star. Okay. This is his name. STR ST for R. If you want to add him, just name is avatar into star. Name is ST for R. If you want to add him, just add him. Okay, to add. Ito.
Why can I add you? Broadband beauty and
Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Has a voice chat.
I'm no that I say what
His name is Yaga.
What the fuck?
Oh, yeah, ito,
YouTube. Somebody leave.
Sino?
Mami, tatawa isa na. Bro.
Na
Nobody wins the goal.
hey girl, what's your name? My name is Polly.
Got to agree.
Gosh, who is this? Guys, I got innocent. I always got innocent. The pepper world just comes. Hey girl, open your eyes. Pray with your dolls. We are perfect mommy. Na ano to, tropa? Guys, this is the penguin. This is cute. The penguin. Ang cute niya. Ay, napangalan. you now. Let's play with you. No.
No.
Haha, you're
Bro,
the
just kill
noob.
us.
Guys, there's a noob. Name yan. Hey, Penguin, just kill him. Penguin, kill him. Guys, the penguin is so no, it's not Sigma. He just the pro penguin with a McDonald's ho. That's a penguin.
Thank you guys for hearing what I said.
Come here,
Bro, I didn't hear you.
guys. Like and subscribe, comment, share.
Bye.
Your favorite emojis, anything or just anything, guys. Let's go. Oh no, our joint is there. I'm the sheriff. Can you see? Tayo naman ako din. This penguin is stuck.
Balaka.
Oh, balala. Balala. Ulala. Guys, I will show you my gun. This is my gun. Where are you? Guys, that's my Happy Harddisk. Why no? I'm going to kill her. Okay, ate, hindi ko okay. Tapos, ate kapag ang mali pa sila, 1v1 tayo ah. No spam jumper, no dodge. Ako din magda-dodge. Tapos, no throwing knives, okay? Uy, wala ka naman sa guys, there's a girl. I almost kill her. That's my little ate. Where are you? Where are you? Ito, malapit na maubos yung time. Patayin ko lang kung malapit na maubos yung time eh. Saan ka ba? Ay. Ito yung patay. Sabi ko patayin ko na ikaw eh. Ay. Kaya. Tate oh. Trawler. Gigim bulit. My ate is pro. Turang guys na may 3 rounds. Ay, akan pala 1 round. Ay, 2 rounds. Yan pala ako. Who is this guy? What are you doing to me? You McDonald's penguin? Nah, this is a stroller. This is a stroller. This is a stroller. Why is it DS? Guys, ama innocent. Why there's a troller and a penguin? Oh no.
She's the murderer.
Go, go, go. Oh. Where's the murderer? Show you guys, show you knife. Who drawing this? This is Roblox. Robloxy.
I cannot shoot her.
I'm here, the penguin. With the McDonald's. He's lagging. So laggy. I will show you my SMS. Guys, just try. This might be not an exist game. Ha ha. So laggy. It's so slow, guys. Who just shoot me? Who just shoot me? Guys, who did shoot me? Ikaw yun ate? Ay, amaris. Guys, Troller is a small avatar. He's the only small avatar. I'm the murderer. Guys, I'm the murderer. My power is X-ray. So I will see Troller. Oops. Ikaw pala sheriff na tol. Lapit. Lapit ka sa akin. Guys, come here. I will throw you. You want to sacrifice? Come and me. You want to sacrifice? Oh, sacrifice, oh. Come here. Oh. Bruh, I'm gonna faceless. Now guys, I'm the sheriff and I I got disconnect DIY. That's all, guys. Bye. I got disconnect.